We're going to talk about database publishing from a broader point of view. We're going to have a look at overview over the solutions of InBetween, but specifically concerning online publishing processes. What we've actually done, we split this in two parts. I will be talking about InBetween and print publishing in the first part. In the second part, I will talk about online publishing with InBetween, and then I leave the stage and give the stage to Stefan and Melita, and they will give a live demo to all sorts of different use cases. So let's start with InBetween and print publishing. I just want to give you a very brief overview what InBetween solutions can provide for print publishing. So the question here is, what does InBetween offer for print publishing? And I only want to talk about a few major points. So with InBetween solutions, you can, on one hand, create publications by combining creative and automated content. But you can also produce publications fully automated, and we've heard this morning in one of the other talk that full automation of publications is possible with InBetween. We also provide wide and very flexible integration of all sorts of content systems. I'm going to talk about that a little more later on. And we support a wide range of publication types. We will look into this as well. And we support a wide range of output formats. So those are the really salient points of what InBetween is able to deliver in terms of print publishing, but also later in terms of online publishing processes. And if we look at it from a very abstract point of view, whenever we combine creative and automated content, what we really do, we have some sort of data source. Usually it's product information data, PIN data we access. And you might have guessed the solutions are very importantly based on templates. And we can provide a process where you can populate a page, an empty page in InDesign, for instance, with products. And these products are pre-configured through templates. And you can add creative content to finally arrive at a publication which you might want to print. What you can also do, you can basically the same thing, but you can generate an automated publication into InDesign or Quark Express. You can then add creative content, generate the publication and print it. This is a very simplified view on what you can do with InBetween whenever you combine creative and automated content. The main features are that you can manually populate layouts in InDesign or Quark Express, and obviously we do this by employing pre-configured product templates, for instance. And you can mix in, you can add, you can complete your publication with creative content. And the good thing is, whenever you use template-based product layouts, the products are always fully updatable on the basis of the data source. That might be a live update. We just had this, didn't we? Right. This is an example of what a publication might look like, where you just have a few pages and you populate the pages with products. It might be something like this, or we might even have something like this where you don't follow a strict structure in the document, but you use basically drag and drop user interfaces to populate pages. The main tool we use is the InBetween DTP client, which we provide for InDesign or Quark Express. And this is a very simple solution from, in principle, you have lists of products, you can choose different templates, and you grab the product and put it onto the page. With your mouse, you drop it onto the page. The page might provide a layout where the product really knows exactly where it goes, or you might have a very free layout, flow layout, where you can drop the product anywhere you like. Okay, so it's integrated in InDesign or Quark Express. We can combine creative and automated content on the basis of pre-assembled product templates. We populate the pages and we can integrate data update and correction. These are the main features of DTP client. What this basically gives you, you have a complete freedom in doing a lot of things you can't do in automation. You can, for instance, have your own pagination. You can populate the pages the way you like. You can have a choice of templates. You can even enter free text. You have all the possibilities of the underlying DTP system, obviously. So, we also can do automated print publishing with InBetween. Automated print publishing really means that in the same process we have data sources, templates, and we generate a publication fully automated and make it ready for print. So publications are produced automatically. The population of products onto the page is completely done automatically. You might add a final finishing step just before you go to print. So we can provide one-click solutions for print, but also for electronic delivery, obviously. And publications that might be produced automatically may look like this. I think Mr. Nadler is going to talk about the approach of Stowe later on. They might look like that or like that. The next few points I want to talk about: wide and flexible integration of content systems, wide range of publication types, and wide range of output formats which we deliver with InBetween. So we can integrate a whole range of different systems. Typically we use product information data coming from PIM systems, but we can also integrate ERP, CRM, content management systems. We can obviously integrate media asset management, digital asset management systems. We can even integrate technical documentation. Based on our template-based publication engine, we can then produce highly automated catalogs, price lists, technical documents, for instance, in InDesign or Quark Express. We can, as I showed you, provide combined creative and automated content for DTP systems, but also for PDF. We cover the whole Office range, so we can produce Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and we can produce publications that might be delivered by tablet, by online flip catalogs, or even in form of HTML code. Right, this was a very quick run through what we offer in print publishing, and everything you've seen for print publishing you can obviously use in online processes too.